Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Rapier of Devastation in Windrose. Now for the location of where I found the weapon is inside these tainted ruins. And quite frankly, this is the second cursed swamp in my world. I got to this location via the main quest called the Forgotten Relics. In search of some tablets, it led me to this specific tainted ruins. And fortunately, I found it inside this old skeleton. Now this weapon can only be found by chance. You could get this early, or you could get this later into the game. And you might find it inside a chest instead of a skeleton. Now the weapon boasts some incredible passive abilities. The first one provides you with extra damage when you use your heavy attack, but it only applies if you have plague marks built up by using your light attacks against enemies. And the second trait will heal your health if you consume more than 5 marks by the use of your heavy attack. And don't forget as well that you can also crit with this weapon, giving you ample amounts of damage to your enemies. Though this weapon is not as great with multiple enemies, it certainly excels in 1v1 scenarios. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the Rapier of Devastation in Windrose.